Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create a blink transition video. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your videos into InShot. Tap Music, and tap the Extract Audio from Video button. Import your music video. And press the tick to extract the audio. Tap Beat. Press the green button to identify the breaks in your audio track. Split your video so it syncs with the breaks, and add a blank clip in between. Trim your blank clip. Now repeat this process for the entire duration of your audio track, and you'll get this cool blink effect that looks right out of a movie trailer. Would you try this blink effect? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.